Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening settings JSON so you change behavior precisely. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus P or CMD plus Shift plus P and type Open Settings, JSON. Once the file is visible, make sure you know whether to edit user or workspace settings, because changes in workspace override user. You will directly edit keys rather than relying on UI toggles, which gives you the control to disable suggestions completely and persistently across sessions. You now add or modify 3 keys in the JSON: set editor, quick suggestions, false to stop inline autocomplete, then set editor, suggest on trigger characters, false so typing characters won't trigger pop-ups, and finally set suggestion visibility flags like editor. Suggest, show words, false to reduce noise. Once done, save the file. The editor applies changes immediately. These precise keys eliminate the common autocomplete sources rather than hiding a single UI element. If suggestions persist, you should disable or configure active extensions that provide completions, such as language servers or IntelliSense plugins. Open extensions and disable or change their settings. Then reload the window or restart Vscode to ensure your JSON changes take effect. If things go wrong, check workspace settings for overrides and inspect extension-specific configuration. One extension often re-enables completions. Make sure to re-enable only what you need after confirming behavior.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.